Hello, trading is closed on March the 10th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. As always, we'll start off with reviewing my last call. At yesterday's close, I said all we had to do was to trade over the day's high promptly, ideally by gapping over it. And if so, I thought we had a chance to rally to the 2095 target, which didn't have to print anytime soon, but usually would. I also said if we gapped under this low, the call was canceled. Well, it's pretty obvious we gapped under the low. We gapped and dropped so much that we actually satisfied the target I've been waiting for since February 11th. Over the last year, not counting this one, which has no time limit, these are all the failed mejt targets. We had one in April, which will drop out pretty soon because the year is going to pass. We had 3 targets on 2 days in October and 1 last month, and that's it. I recounted the failed ultimate targets. I actually have 6 failed targets since the summer of 2002. The last one was October of 2013. So we've gone not quite a year and a half. It's a year and 5 months since the last ultimate target did not print, but of course it doesn't have to print anytime soon. During the day, mejt said ultimately lower prices would print. Here's the target. There was support under it. Said ultimately higher prices would print. Here's the target resistance over it. Here it gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal. Here's the target, too close to trade, but it was hit and there was resistance. At the time the signal was given, it also said prices would return to this thick blue line here. When it dropped here too soon, it said prices would return to that line again, which they did. And there's no new mejt call for tomorrow. Well, I don't think you have to be a wonderful technician to think that today's action was not really good. We did have a few price targets we mentioned on the way up. One was hitting this trend line we did. One was 2083.20. One was 2058.01. Those have been hit. I still have a mejt target of 1986.08, and I have us undercutting 1972.56, not based on the mejt system. But that doesn't mean we have to go there in a straight line. There actually are a few short-term positives. On the 15-minute chart, we have a combo a buy signal and a sequential buy signal as well. Neither stop has been violated. We also have a wall into the close. We also have a close exactly at the day's low. It doesn't always work when the market's in free fall, but usually this is a sign of public capitulation, and a high percentage of the time there's a gap up. That being said, it's hard for me to find anything which says this decline's over, and that's today's call.